welcome back to our channel. Now today we're going to be unboxing Farm to People. It's a subscription box of artisanal foods. It's a monthly subscription. I have to be honest, I found a Groupon for it, so I got it for $15. It is $29.99 a month. You can go on, you can skip months and things like that. And their website, they sell products individually as well. And like I said, they're sourced from artisanal, local, small merchant people. So before we get started, I'd just like to say if you like our channel, you like unboxings, we have some more coming up. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. So let's get started. Now they do have a smaller subscription that is less expensive. This was the larger of the two. This is the tasting box. Comes with this little flyer. Tells you this is the New Beginnings tasting box. Tells you about the products that will be in it. So let's see what we have here. Eat Chic Chocolates Espresso Almond Butter Cups, handmade in Brooklyn. They're vegan, gluten, and soy free. And there is two. It's 1.2 ounces. Let's see what it says about that. After grinding organic espresso beans together with dry roasted almonds for each batch of these luscious cups, Eat Chic's founder Lotta Andonian and her team carefully coat the blend in a luxurious 71% dark chocolate from the folks at Rocca. Their handmade almond butter cups provide an elegant pick-me-up to your day. So it doesn't give prices on here. Next we have, to go along with our butter cups, these are chocolate espresso cookies. These come from Gray Ghost Bakery. It's in Charleston, South Carolina. There's 2 cookies in there. It says scratch-made cookies, a Southern family recipe. Looks like they're coated with some coarse sugar. I don't think I'm going to be opening up and tasting things today, but we have those. And that's pretty much, says pairs with espresso, tea, milk, or even your favorite red wine. Next, we have some kind of pasta. Get a hold of it and get it out here. You know what, we'll skip that and we'll go on to whatever is wrapped up in this. They do package everything really nicely. And it looks like, you know, it's biodegradable paper type packaging, not that plastic bubble wrap. And they are nice size products. This, I'm not quite sure what it is, but we'll get to it. Okay. So, this is Sweet Wino Onion, a divine wine-onion fusion, makes for a uniquely sweet and satisfying topping. This is from the Jam Stand. It is onion chutney. And the Jam Stand is, well, it's distributed by the Jam Stand in Brooklyn, New York. It says made in the USA. The Jam Stand does have a website. This is a 10.5 ounce jar of that. See if there's anything more about that. It says it pairs nicely with fine cheese, makes for a uniquely sweet and satisfying topper for burgers, salads, and sandwiches. So that sounds like, I was thinking that would be really good on a hamburger. Now we'll get the pasta out here. Product of New York City. It's fusilli, made with organic Durham semolina. And it tells you a little bit on the back about the company, the family that makes it. certified organic, made from American grains. This is a full-size 1-pound box of New York City pasta. And we have something else all wrapped up here. I never saw packing quite like this. What's nice about this box is these are nice, mostly full-size products. We have beet and basil pesto. This is, says it's non-GMO verified, minimally processed, simple ingredients, vegan and gluten-free. The sweet tangy flavor of roasted marinated beets unites with fresh aromatic basil and savory walnuts to create this robust vegan pesto. The delicious contents of this jar are also healthy for you. You can feel great putting it on and in everything and using it as a sandwich condiment or with cheese or to complement your pasta. So I think that is everything that we've gotten in this box. This is something I'm not sure that I will use, but I could give it to someone because my husband is allergic to the nuts in it, and it's a lot for just me to use. So I may give this to someone. I know some people who are vegan and watching their, can't have gluten, so we may give them that. So we got a full-size jar of the pesto. I'm gonna just move that. Got a full-size jar of the pesto. We have a full-size jar of the onion jam. The package with 2 the chocolate espresso cookies. I'm really looking forward to trying these espresso almond butter cups. And we have the box of New York pasta. So like I said, I had a Groupon. This was $15, but I am interested in getting the next box and seeing what it has in it. So if you're interested, you can check on Groupon or check on their website. Thanks for watching.